This tool in Photoshop can save you a ton of time that you would have spent on blending. Now you can blend any object into any background with Harmonize. Photoshop automatically adjusts the lighting, colors, shadows, and details for realistic results. For example, here we will remove its background. To do that, you can just simply click here. If you don't see this contextual taskbar, you can just right click here or any empty space. You can click here, you can click here. You can just show or hide from here. Remove background, and that will remove the background. And Photoshop's remove tool is now very powerful. You can see it did a great job here. And now we can just click on Harmonize. Now look at that. It just takes a few seconds to generate this. Just so you know that this Harmonize will consume one standard generative credit per generation. And they gave you options to choose from. Here you can see 3 options. This is the first one, second one, and this is the third. So let's try another one. So before we start, I'm sure you are excited about that, but this feature only exists in Photoshop Beta. If you don't know how to get Photoshop Beta, just go to Creative Cloud Desktop app and then go to apps. From here, click on Beta and you can see here is Photoshop. You have to just click on install and it will install that version. Let's pin this here. So we have a car here and a background. Let's just fix that. And now what we'll do, we will remove the background from the car. And Photoshop did a great job here. Now just one click to harmonize. It's so amazing. Imagine how much time you would spend on those, adding shadows, adding highlights, and it does it in a few seconds. So it generates a new layer. Like you have this, but if I click on that, it's gone and it's a whole new layer. And also you can see here, this is a layer mask. If we hold shift and click here, now we can see this. This is a whole new picture. So they generated the whole picture by keeping everything same from the original one. So this is the before, this is the after. If you don't like this one, you can just choose another. So I'll just keep this one. And again, if you don't like any of these, just generate one more time. Now let's see another example. Here we have a background, a beautiful background. We have a man standing here. We will remove his background. Click on Harmonize. Let's see what Photoshop will do with this person. And here you go, realistic blending in just seconds. We got 3 options. Here is the before, here is the after. Alright, so we will see another example right here. So here we have 2 bikes. We will place them here, even though it's the not right place to place. So I already removed the first background from this bike. And we will remove the background from this bike too by just clicking on remove background. Beautiful. Now let's do the first one. Click on harmonize and boom. So this one is super good. Let's do this one. And there we have it. Here's the second option and here's the third option. Let's go to this bike and look at this guy. It's so cool. I like it so much. This video ends here. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe. If you have any question, comment down below. I always answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Peace.